Ever struggled with bulky power cables that just won't fit where you need them? Whether your current power cord is too long, too short, or awkwardly shaped, there's a simple fix that can make a big difference. Right-angle power cords, featuring a 90-degree C13 connector, are designed to slip into tight spaces without bending or stressing the cable. That means cleaner setups and less wear on your equipment's power port. I recently swapped out the standard power cable on my PA audio system for one of these right-angle cords. The difference was clear immediately. The cable dropped straight down from the mixing console, staying out of sight and out of the way. It's made cable management a breeze, and I no longer worry about the cable getting bent or damaged. These cords meet the same strict standards as regular PC power cables, so you get reliability and durability without compromise. Right-angle power cords use the common NEMA 5 to 15P wall plug to IEC C13 PC connector, the same type trusted by computers, monitors, printers, projectors, power adapters, and HDTVs. This makes them a versatile choice for almost any device that needs a dependable power connection. If you're looking to tidy up your workspace or home theater setup, these cords offer a practical, cost-effective upgrade that improves both form and function. Worth a look if you want a neater, safer power solution. If that's you, someone who values clean, efficient setups and wants to protect your gear from cable strain, right-angle power cords are a smart move. Try one when you're ready and see how much easier managing your power connections can be.